proffered Bushiri extradition case witnesses will have to appear in Malawi court. The Lilongwe Magistrates Court has ruled that South African witnesses in the Bushiri extradition case will have to appear in the Malawi lower court. In his ruling on Tuesday, Magistrate Patrick Chirwa stated that there was no legal basis on which the court could direct for a video conference hearing. Chirwa subsequently ruled that the court required the witnesses to make themselves available to present their deposition. This came after the state applied for the South African witnesses in the extradition case of self-proclaimed prophet Shepherd Bushiri and his wife, Mary, to appear via video conferencing. It cited the pandemic as one of the reasons for this request. Malawi Director of Public Prosecutions DPP Steve AKHONA told the media the court order would be respected accordingly taken. Quote, he told the media after the court proceedings. The state requested 6 weeks to arrange for the appearance of the witnesses. Bushiri's lawyer, Wipona Kita, told the media they were happy the court dismissed the state's application. In the event that the witnesses appear in court in Malawi, Kita has maintained that the position has always been that they are ready to defend the case. We are still ready to defend the case whenever the witnesses come. The implication is that we are following the law in Malawi, what is required. The way things are moving now, that is what was expected, he said.
Yeah.